I'm going to give some acknowledgement about the product which every Bitcoin holder must have. In this box, you're going to have two stainless steel 304 ROC 96, some screw and nut sets, two rivets in form of tamper, and guide to how it functions, which will be in collecting around 4 languages. But for a better view and better understanding, I'm going to explain each and every bit of it and why it becomes mandatory to have it. And if you have cryptocurrency like Bitcoin and Ethereum, these are the major ones. Firstly, I will discuss on how it will be blessing for you to mandatorily have it. Let's say that you own 20 Bitcoins and you have stored it in either software wallets like Exodus, Trust, Green, Blue, etc. or hardware wallets like Treasure, Ledger, Coldcard, etc. So you will generate 12-word key or 24-word key depending on the wallet you are using. So to access your Bitcoins, it becomes mandatory to remember your keys. For that, you can use web. But everything on cloud or your system is hackable, even crashable at times. So the security for your Bitcoin is zero. And we know in today's time where we can't remember what we had for dinner the other night, it's very easy to forget 12 words long password, that too in order. So we at HODL Rock have crafted and designed something for you which will be storing your sets for generations and generations. So without wasting time, I will start what we have for all of you. We at HODL Rock have named it ROC 96 because anything crafted on the rock stays forever. The same way your sets, private keys, once crafted on ROC 96 will remain secured for generations. It is machined and engraved on the finest material stainless steel 304 which can stay lifelong, keeping your private keys safe forever. Now let's do the unboxing. Firstly, see the way the box is made. It's definitely compact and trendy. Now let's see what we have for all of you. Wow! The first piece of ROC 96 having numbering from 1 to 12. Here is the manual for how to use it, but don't worry, we will show it in our video to make it very simple for you. The second piece of ROC 96 having numbering from 13 to 24. Then let us see what else is there for us. Okay, here we have automatic center punch and packing of some screw and nut sets and 2 rivets also. So let me keep all the things in line to show you all. This was simple unboxing of ROC 96 manufactured by HODL Rock. ROC 96 is fire resistant, load and stress resistant, corrosion resistant, BIP and pet proof. This is the first machine and engraved piece of ROC 96 for 1 to 12 numbering. It's lightweight yet sturdy. In the back end of the plate, there is a logo of the brand, an empty space to get engraved your requirements like name of your loved ones, logo of Bitcoin, etc. Basically, you can get your customized ROC 96 and can be gifted to your loved ones. This facility was also provided by the HODL Rock. You don't get this many items at this price. Together it weighs around 565 grams, which is equal to 3 phones. It might be similar or heavier than other competitors, but the advantage is ROC 96 can be used for generations, and that is the idea behind it, to pass the wealth to generations. Now I will show you how it functions. ROC 96 is easy to use, and merely following these 4 steps, you can store and protect your recovery Ferraz keys for extremely long time without it getting tampered. With a non-permanent marker pen, place a dot corresponding to the first 4 letters of each word in your seed Ferraz. For example, if your seed Ferraz is December, then you mark the letters D, E, C, E on the respective grid. The numerical order is indicated by the number displayed on the top row of your Rock 96. On each Rock 96, maximum of 12 seed paras can be stored. Double check each letter you have marked, as it's very important to avoid any mistakes. A scale can be beneficial to be used to not have any mistakes. Now take automatic center punch provided with the Rock 96 to punch in the holes at each marking that you have already made. Before starting to punch your private keys, make sure that the punch is working. You can use the empty space provided at the end of Rock 96 plate as a trial spot to punch your mark in as part of check and practice. Place the punch on the top of the marking and hold pressure down on it firmly. You will hear a clicking sound and a release will be made by the spring in the punch. That is your indicator of successfully punching mark onto the Rock 96. If you are not satisfied with the punch hole in the first go, you can re-punch it multiple times in the same spot using your automatic punch until you are pleased with the result. Wipe off all the markings with a damp cloth to clean the Rock 96. If it is still rough, you can use rubbing alcohol or alcohol-based disinfectant to smoothen edges of the punch holes. Now after crafting your sets with Rock 96, we will proceed to the last step of locking plates. Use screws and nut set provided in the box in easily to lock it. Also, don't forget to use the rivet to resist the tampering. So friends, now we are at the end of the video. The machining and the craftsmanship of the Rock 96 is excellent, and you will not get everything at this price. So, save your seats for generations with the Rock 96. Rock 96 is exclusively available on Amazon. So, order now. Thank you.